Hi guys, I'm back. And welcome to my channel. We have another orders needs to repack. Before we proceed, let's do the intro first. Studio vlog. Jiuv Myers. Hi, it's me again, Jiuv Myer. For today's video I am going to pack an order for Miss Joan. She ordered 2 pieces of toenail art sticker from my Shopee store. Write down the product, quantity and the price of her order on a thank you card. If you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe and hit the bell notification button to get notified for my upcoming videos. And also click thumbs up, leave comments and share my YouTube channel with your friends. Due to small item, I need to wrap this with cardboard to secure the item and to avoid losing the order. You can use bubble wrap as well. This cardboard can protect on damaging the product. If you have a small order like this, always make sure to make it visible or a little bit bigger, because this is prone on losing an item when the product arrive on sorting hub of your courier. After wrapping with cardboard, use another clear packaging plastic and then insert the thank you card. Shout out to you, Miss Joan. Thank you for your purchase. I hope you like it. Sealed with clear tape to ensure the product won't come out. After that, put the product inside the poly mailer plastic. Wrap the excess part of poly mailer plastic same on size of the product. Make sure to stick the adhesive properly. Here's our finished product. So that's all for today guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next video. Goodbye. For more video just click this. Thank you for watching.